In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use Multistream on Streamlabs. My name is Tree and I make streaming support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before we begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. Hop in if you have any questions. A little disclaimer, this video is sponsored by Streamlabs, but all the opinions in this video are my own. What is Multistream? So Multistream is a feature where you can stream on multiple platforms at the same time. So for example, you can stream on YouTube, Facebook, and on Twitch at the same time. For this I need to make a little disclaimer though. Twitch has something in their guidelines that tells you that they have 24-hour exclusivity. This means basically that you can't spread your content that you're putting on Twitch on other platforms within 24 hours. With restreaming, you're doing it instantly and that is within the 24 hours. So if you're a Twitch affiliate or a partner, this is actually against TOS. But if you're not a Twitch affiliate yet, or you just want to stream on Facebook and on YouTube at the same time, this is totally fine. So the first thing you want to do for this is download Streamlabs OBS, also called SLOP. We can do that by going to their website. I will leave a link underneath in the description to make it easy for you. What we do now is click on Download Streamlabs and then Save File. If you're on Chrome, it will appear underneath in the browser, but if you're in Firefox, it's in the top left here. You click on it and open it. We agree with the user's license and then pick a location to save it on. Click on Install. It takes a couple of seconds to install, of course, and then just click on Finish. It has opened Streamlabs OBS for me. I'm gonna make this bigger. For you, if you're new to this and you haven't used OBS before, it will ask you to connect your microphone and your webcam. It is super easy to set up. Just click on the microphone and the webcam you want to use. For me, because I already used OBS, it recognizes that and actually fills in everything I already have. So you basically see all the alerts and everything I already set up in my normal OBS in here. What we want to do now is here in the bottom left is a cogwheel. We click on that and then we can go to Stream on the left side. Here we can log in with either account we want to stream on. For me, I logged in with Twitch just by clicking on it. Logged in it says now because I'm already logged in. And then in YouTube again, here just click on connect and you can connect your YouTube account to Streamlabs OBS. For me, I don't have a Facebook, so that's not connected. Obviously, because yeah, if you don't have one, you can't connect it. Just close the settings part. And here we have a button called Go Live. You can click on that, don't be afraid. You don't actually instantly go live, so don't worry. You just open up the extra screen where you can set the title, the description, your game category that you want to stream on. The most important thing is here on the left we see stream to Twitch and stream to YouTube. If they're both on like they're right now, you would be streaming to both of these. If we click on Go Live, we would instantly go live on both of these channels. You can add more here. Be aware though, this multi-stream feature is part of Streamlabs Prime, so you have to be a member of Streamlabs Prime to be able to get this feature. Without it, you can stream though, but only on one platform at the same time. So you can set a title, description, and game. And for YouTube, I believe for YouTube you can't really set a game, but it will get it for Twitch, you know? You can instantly share it on Twitter as well if you connect your Twitter to it. We can even click on Show Advanced Settings here. If we click on that, we will see Twitch tags. We can put on tags here, so 100%, like just the normal things, ask me anything, everything you normally could set up on your Twitch dashboard, that's in here. For YouTube, you can make an event here as well. Just create a new event through Streamlabs OBS. And then if you click on confirm and go live, you would actually go live. But, you know, because this is a tutorial video and I haven't like actually set up my live stream yet, I don't want to click on that. But if you want to go live, just click on it and you will be live. It's actually pretty simple to do if you know how. And I think that's most of the things from Streamlabs. Like, if you know how they work, it's super easy. If you have trouble setting things up, no worries, I got your back. Hop into this playlist with me all about Streamlabs, and I will see you there.